Hey my loves, it's me again, Miss African Beauty. If I tell you, say I love you, oh, boom boom. Yes, girl, so I'm back with another video, per usual, so let's just get started. Right now I'm in my mom's bathroom, so lighting's a little bit off, but your girl bought some new weave. So I wanted to show you guys the weave unboxing before I made the wig, so I'm gonna make the wig right now. And I said, let me show you guys the wig straight out of the box before I make the wig and do the review. So that's just what I'm gonna do right now. So don't mind me, no makeup, whatever, but your girl's still on fleek. Okay, so the hair that I got is called Peruvian straight bundle hair from Outre, and it comes with two 10 inches, two 12 inches, and a free closure. If you guys are already subscribed to my channel, you know I've already done a few reviews on the Outre hair, and I love their hair. And this hair wig I'm actually rocking right now is also Outre hair, girl. And do you see this wig? Yes, girl. So that's just it out of the plastic. Well, let's get to opening it. So it comes with a free closure, which is this one right here. Let me just take it out so you guys can see. So this is the closure. This is how it looks. The back looks like this. The front looks like this. Gives you a good amount of parting space. Also, I got this here for $17.99. It was on sale. Originally $26.99. And these are the 4 bundles. So as you can see, 2 of the bundles are black. And 2 are like nice, like color number 27 type of color. These are the 10 inches and these are the 12 inches. So I guess the black will be at the bottom and the blonde will be at the top. So yeah, guys, that is just the hair that I got to review. So stay tuned because it'll be like within this week. I'll have my review out for you guys. So stay tuned if you guys want to see how this wig turns out. And then here's just a picture at the back of what the hair is supposed to look like, but this one is black and blonde, so it won't look exactly like this, but pretty close. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the end of my video. Thanks for watching. If you already subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Yes, girl, slay. Bye, my loves.
And it owns the big lord.
If I